Nicholson and Trexie Shane. The church shares your joy and warmly welcomes you together with your families and friends, as today, in the presence of God our Father, you establish between yourselves a lifelong commitment and partnership. May the Lord hear you on this joyful day. May He send you help from heaven to protect the both of you. May He grant you your heart's desires and fulfill every one of your prayers.
Bawat hakbang ay papalapit sa'yo. Hihinga ng malalim, walang pangamba, mga baka sakali, pagkat andito ka na.
Trexie Shane Dioso, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Nicholson Soriano, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Love can do. And that is also the reason why, my dear brothers and sisters, this afternoon, Nicholson and Trexie Shane ay lumalapit dito sa altar para patunayan natin na ang pagmamahal ay may pinagmumulan. Ang pagmamahal ay may pinatutunguhan at ang pagmamahal nananatili. Walang pangamba, mga baka sakali, pagka